wanted to do something on my own and something which I am the owner of, and so I decided that I'll quit and work on my ideas.
I rejected Infosys and I said no, I have to stick to mechanical industry.
But the very first thing, how you spot the opportunity, it is the main important thing for anyone, भले वो fresher हो, student, working or any person.
You are a freelancer and you have to write your own story. So a playbook should be written by only you. No one can write that for you. No.
It was 2018 March when I resigned from the company, and for almost 3 months मैंने घर पर बताया नहीं था कि I left my company. I used to wear the same dress of company. Like जब मैं घर से बाहर निकलता, there were 2 ways, left and right. Right for my company, left for my current office.
Maybe I would add that I am not lonely, but I am alone couple of times. You are part of that organization. You are responsible for maybe 30, 40, 50% of the project or something, depending on your role. But when you are a freelancer, you are 100% responsible for what your actions, how you are saying, to whom you are saying, and what are you saying. So you tend to get alone sometimes.
People say that if you want to do something, you do it parallelly. Then once that other thing it matures, then you quit your job.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's the general advice which I have seen. But I was not able to do that, so I had to quit my job and I had to start from scratch.
I will recommend focus on team building. Initially, no one going to work with you. कि मैंने बोला कि हम लोग कंपनी स्टार्ट करेंगे. No one going to join you.
The young engineers actually should think on these sectors rather than thinking in a very old-fashioned way that there should be companies coming to my college to recruit me. No. I would say you should go out in the market, try to find companies which are relevant to you and only apply there.
What is e-learning? What is this freelancing work? मतलब लिटरली अगर मैं हिंदी में कहूँ ना, मुंह पे छाले आ जाते हैं, ऐसे बोलते बोलते एक्सप्लेन करते करते कि दिस इज द ई लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म, दिस इज द फ्रीलांसिंग वर्क. दिस सेड है ऐसे कुछ अपनी इंडियन मार्केट में काम करेगा नहीं. मैकेनिकल इंडस्ट्री में तो कभी ई लर्निंग काम करेगा ही नहीं. After spending these 6 years, everyone is aware of this freelancing work. And you know what? Actually, this is the blessing for our market.
So I think what this pandemic has taught is your basics and your ability to adapt to different environments and to different skill sets and to learn different knowledge set is the prime importance in this current age.
Freelancing is very good, but it's not really easy to enter into freelancing market, and there's a lot of competition, and considering the pandemic, many people are coming into freelancing thing and everything, but it's really difficult to sustain in the market unless you have something USP of your own.
3 corners of a triangle connects 3 dimensions in space. 3 legs in a tripod helps capture breathtaking moments. 3 A's in a poker game could be a jackpot winner. 3 engineers, an innovator, an entrepreneur, and a trainer are today's world disruptors. The 3 engineers in today's episode are showstoppers, passionate and committed. They have renounced rosy corporate jobs to stand on their own feet. Their eye-catching profile and passion in mechanical engineering is unrelenting. Pals, come let's dive deep in to find out what they are up to. I am Rohit, founder and CEO of goHyP.com, India's only marketplace connecting freelance engineers with SMEs in non-IT engineering space for gigs.